Make Telegram account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can make a Telegram account without a phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to make a Telegram account without a phone number, you can see if I open up Telegram and then here you can see start messaging. Right off the bat it's going to ask me to select my country code and then my phone number, and only then I will be able to access Telegram. And as you can see here, we don't have any option to create an account with email or anything like that. So if Telegram themselves is not allowing you to create an account with email, no one else will be able to do so. But do not go away just yet, because what happens is that if you don't have a real phone number that you can use to log into a Telegram account and then actually go ahead and then create an account, you can make use of a virtual phone number. And there are many virtual sites that provide you this free virtual numbers where you can even get the SMS code. You don't need to own a SIM card to get a number, so you can use those phone numbers, which I'm not going to deep dive into this particular video due to some reasons. But if you think that is interesting for you, you can go ahead and then check that out and see if that helps you solve the problem. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.